Hey guys, today we'll be looking at the two sum lead code problem. Here the problem says that we have an array and a target sum, and we need to find two elements in this list such that the sum of those two elements is equal to target, and we need to return the index of those elements. The first way in which we can solve this problem is through brute force. So basically we can take two iterators I and j maybe, and then iterate through this entire array to find out if there are two elements which exist in this array whose sum could be equal to 9. I plus 1 because j will start from here. Let's say if I starts from here, j will start from here, the next element always. So we can take an vector which will call as result, and if we don't find anything, we just return the empty vector itself. Let's run this. Okay, yeah, so this one worked out. uh, Solve this problem is by using hash map. So we take a hash map, and we iterate through this array. So let's say we and the target is 9, we are at the first element, so the remaining would be 9 minus 9 is the target and 2 is the current element. So here we get equal to 7. We check if this 7 is present in hash. We see no, 7 is not present, so we just save 2 and then move forward. The next element is 7. We do 9 minus 7, that equals 2, and we check in hash if 2 is present. We see that okay, 2 is present, so we in hash we save actually two. We can save two things: the element itself and the index of that element. So it occurs at 0. Now we can return the indices of these two elements, 2 and 7. Let's implement it in the code. So the implementation would look something like this. We have taken a hash map. This is the uh, vector in which we will return the result. If we don't find anything, we'll just return the empty vector. So let's run this. Okay, there is some problem here. Has not been okay. Doesn't seem to be working. Hash dot find remain not equal to hash dot end. Okay, sorry, we are not saving the current thing. If we don't find it, then we have to save the current element. We are saving the current element and the index of that element. Now I think it should, yeah, it's successful. Yeah, so this is how we can solve this problem. Thank you for watching.